Hi guys! In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to remove page numbers from certain pages in Word. If you find this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. First, let's insert page numbers into the Word document. Click on the Insert tab at the top of Word, then select Page Number. From here, you can choose where you want the page number to appear in your document. Now decide where you want the page numbers to be. For this example, I only want page numbers on page 2. To do this, go to the first page where you don't want the page number. Place your cursor before or after any content on that page, click on the Layout tab, then select Breaks and choose Continuous. This creates a section break. Next, move to the next page where you want or don't want page numbers and repeat the same steps. Go to Layout, click Breaks, and select Continuous. Keep repeating this for each page where you want to change the numbering. Now we need to unlink the sections so page numbers aren't applied throughout the entire document. Double-click on the header or footer to open it, and you'll see the Link to Previous option. Click it to unlink the section. After that, press the backspace key to remove the page number and it will be deleted from that section. Do this for each section where you don't want page numbers to appear. And that's it. You've now successfully removed page numbers from specific pages in Word.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.